Speaker, very reverend colleagues, I rise this morning to move a motion that the votes and proceedings. Mr. Speaker, by your leave, may I lay this at the table.
Distinguished colleagues.
Request for assent to Rivers State House of Assembly Fund Management Financial Autonomy Law 2023. The above subject matter refers the financial autonomy and independence of state houses of assembly and the judiciary are clearly and unambiguously guaranteed under sections 120 to 122 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. The Rivers State House of Assembly has no legal powers to add, remove, or alter the aforesaid constitutional provisions on the subject matter with subsidiary legislation. Consequently, I hereby decline assent to the proposed law on the financial autonomy of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Thank you, and please accept the assurances of my highest regards, as always, Mr Siminalayi Fubara, GSSRS, Governor, Rivers State.
My question here, Mr. Speaker, do we have two-thirds majority as to override this section? So if we have, we are good to go. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I don't want to go too far, but I want to rely on section 100, subsection 5 of the 1999 Constitution as altered. Mr. Speaker, with your leave, I would like to read that particular subsection of the law, sir. Mr. Speaker, subsection 100, subsection 5 is clear, and it reads, where the governor withholds assent and bill is again passed by the House of Assembly by two-thirds majority, the bill shall become law, and the assent of the governor shall not be required. Mr. Speaker, the key word there is shall. In every statute, the Supreme Court is clear on when the word shall is used. It is obligatory. And what we are doing this morning is to simply invoke the spirit and letters of this Constitution. So my people have asked me to support the overriding of the veto of the governor on this particular law, and that is my submission.
Is that the governor says that it will create confusion, that this law that is before us will create confusion in the smooth transition and administration of local government system, especially when it becomes impossible to conduct local government elections. My question is, which means the governor is believing that local government elections will not be conducted. What this goes to show the intent and purpose for this declining of assents. The governor has no plan to conduct local government elections. Rivers State House of Assembly Fund Management Financial Autonomy Law 2023, a law to provide for the management of funds accruing to the Rivers State House of Assembly from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of Rivers State to ensure accountability and efficient utilization of funds and for related matters is hereby further passed, and it's now law for Rivers State in line with section 100, subsection 5 of the 1999 Constitution as altered. Going forward, Nigerians will know that the Rivers State House of Assembly is not a rubber stamp House of Assembly. The Rivers State House of Assembly is an assembly that will continue to stand by the people of Rivers State who gave us their mandates. So we will strengthen all democratic institutions.
You're still coming.
Please come back. Close that door. Oh yeah, check again, you know. But the phone people.
Can you? If you never get a uniform, I don't know. Somebody there.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.